So today is the sorry, fifth Akibento month box. Now the month is May, and the theme of this month is fierce, like a fierce energy that builds up inside of an anime character and actually take it on the field of battle. And the anime series that matched the month is One Piece, Fairy Tail, and more. So here's the unboxing, and here we go. Let's unbox it. Let's see what we got so far. Here we go. And first up, we have a exclusive drawstring backpack. Let's see what is. Right here is Luffy, Natsu, and the character from Goblin Slayer, which their word fierce. That's that is pretty badass. Alrighty, let's go ahead and put it in. There we go. And I have the shirt here. Really love the colors. You can see we have a raven, Sanji, and the character from Goblin Slayer, which that's actually is the Goblin Slayer. Forgot the names of the series. And we have the the Funko Pop figure, which is Usopp right here, number 401, right side, then left. And then on the back we have Usopp, Sanji, Robin, and Doflamingo, top and bottom. And also we have a Fairy Tail keychain of Natsu, Lucy, and Happy. As you can see, the characters: Natsu, Lucy, Happy, Gray, and Ursa. And also the Akibento Magic Cube puzzle. As you can see, the poneglyphs right here from One Piece. There we go. Also, we have the Akibento exclusive bookmark. As we can see right here, Goblin Slayer. Let's see here. Here is a button, fierce, and also Fierce card here. and the information of the items you get, plus the selfie contest, and that is it. Now, I really love this month box because it actually has the series Goblin Slayer on it, and that is when it actually says more. Because I'm actually enjoying this month box in May. Now, next month is June, which is the beginning of summer, and the theme of that month is teleport, like anime characters that actually teleport to another dimension, another universe, or anime characters have the ability to teleport. And the anime series that match the theme are the Rising of the Shield Hero, Konosuba, and more. Just like this month, we're going to see what's the other series going to be. So yeah, I cannot wait for it. So anyway, like this video, subscribe for more, and comment on what you think about the unboxing review. You guys can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, and like my Facebook page. Until then, this is Anime Guy here saying sign out. Laters. Whoops.